Okay, hi everyone. My name is Patrick and I'm the stake pool operator behind the newly founded Pool of Babel. I'm currently a computer science student here in Stuttgart in Germany. Maybe you know Stuttgart, it's the city where all the cars are built, like Porsche and Daimler and all that stuff basically. And yes, I've been in the Cardano space since 2017 and I've followed the development of the project so far, and I've been really convinced by this whole future of a decentralized, better world using Cardano. And I want to build my own decentralized applications as well in the near future. In fact, right now I'm writing my bachelor thesis about a decentralized application using Cardano as one of its technologies with IPFS and other stuff as well. But I can't really tell you more about that right now because, it's still in development. Maybe you'll see something in the future about it. But back to the pool, I decided to launch the Pool of Babel. I launched it 2 days ago and it's hosted here in Germany as well. It's hosted on a virtual private server, or actually in fact 2 virtual private servers in Frankfurt. Both of these servers have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2 CPU cores and 160 gigabytes of storage. And they are not hosted on one of the big cloud service providers like Google and Amazon and Microsoft and all that stuff, because I think it's kind of against the point of decentralization if we have like 1,000 stake pools running on Amazon servers like the rest of the internet, right? So yes, it's on a very small local host here in Germany. And yeah, as you can probably tell, as a student I don't have a lot of money, I don't have a lot of ADA, so the pledge for my pool is very low. But that doesn't mean that I don't have skin in the game. I really want to push this whole vision of like the decentralization and the growth of the Cardano network and all that. So I do have some technical know-how, of course, as a computer science student. And that's why I can guarantee like a very high uptime for the pool, and that I will always look after the pool and make sure that it's up to date and all that stuff, even though the pledge might not be as high as some other pools. So I hope that I can convince you to stake some of your ADA on the Pool of Babel. And you can always reach me directly via my private email or via Twitter. And you can find out more about the pool on the pool's website, which is linked down in the description. And yes, I hope that you will stay with the Pool of Babel and that we will see each other in the near future.